The Zealot S89 is finally here. It took some time, it took a lot of extra cost to get the speaker in the Netherlands, but it is here. The two reasons why it's pretty hard to get the speaker here. Now, luckily, still like till today or yesterday, you can get the speaker on Temu. But the speaker is still pretty pricey to ship to the Netherlands, and this has to do with two things. The price, of course. Because the speaker is above 150 euros, you do have more issues with customs and so on. But also because this speaker is very heavy. And as you can see, it's a pretty big speaker. It has these LED lights around, but it's also a pretty big unit overall. It has a racetrack driver like the BOOMBOX 3. It has two mid-range drivers and tweeters. The great thing about this speaker, because it's a little bit bigger, the mid-range drivers and the tweeters are not placed on each other. So this means you have really all the frequency response directly into you. And the two things I did notice with the speaker. The EQ possibility is alright. The bass EQ is very bass boosting. Like really the passive radiators go crazy, but also the bass you really hit vibration all around you. Even if you place this speaker not near a wall, so even in the middle of the room, the speaker is making a lot of bass performance on that EQ. The folk EQ, I never like those EQs because they give too much treble boost or mid-tone boost. But the normal EQ I like the most. It's very natural but still giving you the punchy bass you want. The speaker is pretty loud, it's pretty powerful. And yes, without further ado, let's just go to those audio samples so you can see yourself a bit how the speaker performs. So I paid $300 plus minus, even a bit more. But the speaker normally sells around $200, $250. And for that price, it's really actually pretty surprising how well this speaker sounds and even how much you get for that price. So one tip I can give straight away, if you buy it, don't buy it directly from brands, because then you have more tax cost afterwards. That's my case, but I will review the speaker on the $250 range, and then I can definitely say the speaker is done pretty well. The only thing that's missing on Zealot speaker still today is an app support. So maybe someday we will get app support on new Zealot speakers. They definitely still are pushing out some new models. So let's go to those audio samples. Enjoy them.
Something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my styling. Where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time.
I'm standing, take my head apart. It's borderline chaos with inches up. While the ceremony's about to start, I caught you red-handed.
and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.